How to make a schedule in Notion. Hello and welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. Today we're going to learn how to make a schedule table in Notion. So make sure to stick to the very end to know about this tutorial. So I'm going to go to one of my pages on Notion here. Suppose I go to budget planning here. So here I can see all of the tables that mark my schedules. So now it is being loaded. And as you can see, the dates are up to here, right here. So if you want to create your very own schedule, then go right down and then tap on the slash keyword on your keyboard and then locate it to database. So if I click on database, I can see the table view or board view. So I'm going to tap on table view here and it will create a new table. I can link it to another existing database such as expense here. So just like that, my schedule has been created. You can change the date and time as well, just like that. So this was on 2019. So we're actually on 24 at the time of this video. So I can put a schedule here and put a reminder as well, 1 day before, include the time as well, specific. So just like that, a schedule has been created. So I hope you guys learned how to make a, how to make a date, how to make a schedule on Notion. If you learned it, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.